going to be your year? Because aside from this, you have Larawan, di ba? So, swerte mo. After as 24, ngayon na ulit na ulit, di ba?
Isang taon din po ako nagpahinga na wala akong ginawa. Kasi, for me, it's a strategy na rin po. Kasi, after Esprit and after the Oriental nomination, para sa amin, I need to take a break because it was a strong finish. And then, so, ang ginawa ko po, nag-aral po muna ako. Nagpunta ako.
But you were doing something more, di ba?
Opo. Nag-play ako sa CCP, sa Bali Philippines, and then I flew to Berlin to study acting technique na sort of ginamit ko rin po dito. Tapos, yun, nag-shoot ako ng Larawan, and then Ringgo, tapos yung actually ng San Sebastian album Japan for St. Filipino, which is this year din po. So,
the one with Joel.
Yes, the one with Joel.
And first mo rin ba si Sandino for the role?
Nahirapan kami sa pag-casting kasi I need to cast a 16-year-old. And since yung tema ng pelikula is dark drama, I consulted Attorney Georgie Consul kasi may mga, ang gusto namin cast talaga yung 15, 16 years old. Ang problem, baka lang ma-question ako sa tapang ng pelikula. So nung nakailan kaming auditions, and then nung naalala ko si Sandino, sabi ko, can I see you? Pumunta siya sa ABS, nag-screen test lang ako over my iPhone. Pinagubad ko lang siya ng upper niya kasi hindi ko ayoko makita mataba or may muscle. Pasok siya dun sa banga ng 16-year-old, and yet, how old are you na? 24. So, he played 16 here. Pinajologs talaga namin siya dito and all that.
So, pinada yung hair?
Yeah. Ang hirap nga po kasi I was doing Larawan that time. So,
Hindi siya nakalbo.
Isa siyang malaking problema. As in, kahit tanongin sila G.R. Rodney sa copy. Kahit tanongin po yung producer ko for Larawan, it was a big problem. But that's my job. I need to do films and I need to be that character sa mga pelikula na ginagawa. So, na-remedyo naman po, sa remedyo na yung magpakulay every week at magpa-bleach ulit every week. So, it was a real struggle for me to complete the look for both films.
And how do you conceive of the project in story?